Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Renault Trafic Business. It's just the ordinary radio, like the old-fashioned radios, but it is Bluetooth. So what you need to do is go to telephone, you click on telephone, and that menu comes up there. Scan devices, pair devices, there you go, scan, pair, select delete device. That's what I want to do. So I've highlighted delete device. I click the right button here and you'll see there Barry's iPhone. That's what I want to delete. I click again, delete Barry's iPhone. It's highlighted yes. If you decided against it, you just turn the rotary control there, but we want yes. Click yes. Barry's iPhone deleted. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Renault Trafic Business. The first thing we need to do is switch on or make sure that Bluetooth is on. So it's on there, and then we're watching out at the bottom. It may actually show up, but over here, that's picked up the TV in the office. Over here you go to telephone, click on telephone, and you'll see there, if I turn that, we go to pair devices, highlight pair devices, click on. Now this is important, you see there, to pair enter pin 0000, but if you click R and go media, multimedia, like so, it will generate a random pin code, so you don't have to enter anything, all you have to do is agree. So that's pair, and there you go, it's connecting. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Barry's iPhone connected, and there it should, let's see, where's it gone? R and go multimedia connected. That's it done. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Renault Trafic Business. It will play, if you have it set up right, it will play any audio, whether it be a YouTube video, it will play the audio, Amazon Prime Music, iTunes, whatever, it will play the audio through here. So if we go to music, see there, click on the silver triangle and the silver circles there at the bottom, R and go multimedia, there's a tick next to it. That means any music, any soundtrack will play through there. So we'll go back to here, I'm going to turn it down, click play. Then we go over to the radio, the audio system, and we click media. Click on media, and that's it. It's if you have, say, auxiliary plugged in, you may need to click media a couple of times, or click media, and it'll show something else that's connected, and you just have to go to Bluetooth audio. But that's it. And if I turn this up now, turn this up, that's it. That's how you do it.